The original Pink Box presents the multi-tool. The key items incorporated into this multi-tool are pliers, 2 slotted screwdrivers, a Phillips screwdriver, a knife, a can and bottle opener, a file, a serrated blade, and an awl. This versatile tool comes in a convenient pouch, so it's easy to transport and take with you. On the back, it has a belt clip as well as a belt loop, so if you have the tool belt or bucket back tool pouch, it can clip right on. The tool is easy to use. Simply pull the two sides apart. You can pull the tool out that you want to use. Notice how the extended tool doesn't go in. It rather locks in place, so it's easier to use. To actually utilize the tool, fold it back in place and you can begin to use it. To put it back, press the release button. This allows it to go inward. Then you push it all the way down and fold it back up. This tool is perfect for all your DIY projects and crafts, and you won't get enough of it. It's light, it's convenient, it's effective, and it's all in the palm of your hand. This is brought to you today by the original Pink Box.